Welcome to our channel. If you're gearing up for your real estate license exam, you're in the right place. Today we're covering essential prep resources to help you ace the exam. Let's dive in. First, it's crucial to understand the format of the real estate license exam. The exam is typically divided into two sections, the national portion and the state-specific portion. Each covers various topics like property ownership, real estate law, financing, and agency relationships. Familiarizing yourself with the exam structure helps you focus your study efforts where they matter the most. Start by visiting your state's official Real Estate Commission website. This site is your go-to for accurate, up-to-date information on licensing requirements, specific approved education providers, and exam details. Download candidate handbooks, exam content outlines, and any practice questions available. These resources are invaluable for understanding what to expect on the exam. Enrolling in an accredited pre-licensing course is a must. These courses cover all the material you'll need for the exam and come in a variety of formats, including in-person classes, online courses, and a hybrid of both. Choose a course that offers interactive content, practice exams, and instructor support. A well-structured course makes a significant difference in your preparation. High-quality study guides and textbooks are essential. Popular options include Modern Real Estate Practice and Principles of Real Estate Practice. These books provide comprehensive coverage of exam topics and include practice questions. Use the end of chapter quizzes and practice exams to test your knowledge and identify areas that need more review. Flashcards are a great way to reinforce key concepts and terminology. You can create your own or use pre-made flashcards available online and through mobile apps like Quizlet and Brainscape. These tools are perfect for quick study sessions and reviewing important information on the go. Taking practice exams is crucial for building confidence and exam readiness. Many online platforms offer full-length, timed practice exams that simulate the real test environment. Practice exams help you get comfortable with the format and timing, and they highlight areas where you need further study. Joining a study group or online forum can provide additional support and motivation. Engaging with peers allows you to share insights, ask questions, and gain different perspectives on challenging topics. Popular forums include Reddit's real estate community and dedicated Facebook groups. Connecting with others can make your study journey more enjoyable and effective. Consistency and time management are key to successful exam preparation. Create a study schedule that breaks down your sessions into manageable chunks and stick to it. Regular, focused study sessions are more effective than cramming. Set realistic goals, take breaks, and track your progress. Preparing for the real estate licensing exam takes dedication and the right resources. With a solid study plan and these essential tools, you'll be well on your way to success. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and resources on your real estate journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.